Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new here and welcome back if you're not. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a magic circle and how to crochet into that magic circle. Grab some yarn and your hook and let's get started. Start by wrapping the yarn twice around two of your fingers. It'll look like an X. Grab your hook and insert it under the top right strand. Grab the top left strand and pull down, twisting clockwise. Grab the top left strand again and pull it through the loop on your hook. This creates a slip knot in the magic circle. Now we will begin crocheting into the circle. Insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the two loops on your hook. One single crochet is completed. I'm going to single crochet 6 times into the magic circle, but you can do the amount that your pattern requires. Once you've finished crocheting into the circle, it's time to close it up. Simply pull the tail end of the yarn and the loop will close. Be sure to pull that tail end as tight as possible to make sure we don't leave a hole. There we are, the magic ring is complete. I really hope this helped and I'll see you guys later.